Good day, I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I can speak English. I also understand English.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to go there, to go to Malaysia without hesitation.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
I don't have family or friends, ma'am, working there.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am, 100%.
Okay, because if you are unwell, better stay in the Philippines, okay?
Okay, ma'am. No
Our
problem.
interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I'm agree.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Uh, yes, ma'am. I'm Bernadette Padapat, 42 years old, and I born and raised in Pidigan, Abra. I have two children, a boy and a girl, 17 years old and 12 years old. I have a live-in partner, ma'am. And
Live-in. Single with live-in partner, is it?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you, Bernadette. Uh, when is your birthday?
My birthday is February 27, 1983.
February 27, 1983.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'3", and my weight is 54 pounds, 54 kilograms.
What is your religion?
I'm Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
I'm high school graduate, ma'am.
High school graduate. Can you repeat again how many children do you have?
I have two children, one boy and a girl.
How
One
old
boy,
are
one.
those children?
Uh, my son is 17 years old and my daughter is 12 years old.
So, is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am, I'm ex-abroad.
You are ex OFW. So you mentioned that you have your live-in partner. Did he allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. He is he allowed me, ma'am, to work in Malaysia.
What is his occupation and how old is he?
He is a construction worker and 44 years old, ma'am.
Okay, how many brother and sister do you have and what is your rank in your family?
I have two brothers and three sisters. No, no, no. I'm sorry. I have two brothers and two sisters, ma'am. And I am the eldest of the family.
You are the eldest. So you mentioned that you are an ex-OFW. So what is your working experience? In which country?
I work in Saudi Arabia, ma'am, as DH within 3 years.
Okay.
Um,
What
in,
year did you started and what year did you finish there?
May 2016, ma'am, to 2019 June. August, ma'am, August 2019.
Okay, can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in Saudi?
My duties in my previous employment in Saudi was taking care of babies, cleaning the house, ironing, cooking foods, their meals,
Did you do laundry there?
all around, ma'am.
Did you do laundry?
Yes, ma'am, I do. I did laundry.
How old are those children that you take care?
When I went there, ma'am, they were 6 months to 3 years old.
So how many children you take care?
They are twins, ma'am, boy and a
Twins.
girl.
Okay. So after 2019, do you have any working experience?
Yes, ma'am, I have working experience
In which place?
in Brunei, ma'am.
Brunei. How many years you work there?
2 years.
What year did you started and what year did you finish working there?
November 20, 2019
Until
up to March 2021.
March 2021.
Yes,
Okay, can
ma'am.
you share it with me? What are your duties there to your previous employment in Brunei?
My duties there, all around, ma'am, I cle- cleaning the house, garden.
Okay, so what are your primary duties to your previous employment in Brunei?
My duties in Brunei was cleaning, laundry or washing, taking care of babies, children, and ironing, ma'am.
Did you do laundry, ironing, and cooking also?
Yes, ma'am, and cooking.
How old are those children that you take care?
They are 18 and 17, ma'am.
Quite big already, is it?
Yes, ma'am, they are big.
So you are
Two.
assisting only.
Yes, ma'am, I just assist them.
So after 2021, do you have any working experience?
Yes, ma'am, in Kuwait.
How many years you worked there?
2 years, ma'am.
What year did you started and what year did you finish?
March 2022 up to May 2024, ma'am.
Okay, what are your primary duties there?
All around, ma'am, cleaning, taking care of children, ironing, and sometimes cooking, ma'am.
You do laundry?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
How many children did you take care there?
3 children, ma'am.
How
Three
old are
boys.
those children?
5 years old, 4 years old, uh, and 1 year old.
Okay.
One to two.
So,
To two.
okay. So, are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
You know that being a domestic helper is very tough, right? You already knew it because it's not new for you. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
You
ma'am.
already got 3 working experience in other countries. Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time or baby?
Yes, ma'am, no problem.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Can
willing,
you
ma'am.
cook?
Yes, ma'am, I can cook.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take care pets?
Yes, ma'am, I'm okay.
So you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time with the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. If you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our terms and conditions?
Ma'am, I'm okay, ma'am.
You are okay, yeah? We just wanted to be clear and be specific in our initial interview so that we don't have problem in later once you come to work here in Malaysia and you were not going to demand us about all these things, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Normally, how do you handle your homesickness?
Uh, I can handle my homesickness by doing by focusing my job, my task, and just making myself busy and just do my work, ma'am, and pray to God.
Okay, always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work here in Malaysia or in other countries. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, But here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations. We need to respect the culture, okay? Any
Okay.
problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yes,
I think
ma'am.
that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Thank you
you,
so much and have a good day. Bye.
ma'am.